Welcome, in front of me is a Honor 20 Lite, and today I'll show you how to put this device into recovery mode. Now to get started, you want to hold power key, from there select power off, and once the device shuts off you want to hold power key and volume up, both of the keys at the same time, so let's hold them right now. And as you can see, we are now in the recovery mode. Now from here, whatever you want to select, you will just simply tap on it as you would do normally, and as you can see, we can simply restart the device, clear data, which include clear cache and also factory reset of the device, and then update mode, which will take you in the update and putting into safe mode from here. So like I said, whatever you want to select, simply click on it. Now I'm gonna leave this mode by tapping restart, and just give it a moment. It should, there we go, restart and take us back to Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.